We are in Shepley's workshop in Sheffield and I'm a project engineer. We have been commissioned by the Royal Botanic Gardens Edinburgh and we're removing anything that we can off the building and running it through a restoration process. On this project, it's been stipulation of client that we try and repair as many components as we can, keeping the original fabric. Sometimes it's not possible, we do have to replace them, but on a lot of components we've managed to save doing repairs, overplating, all these kind of methods to keep the original fabric. Once the components have been delivered and unloaded to my workshop, and I'll tag them. The reason we do this is because every component on this building has a location. So when it goes back, it'll go back in its same location. So once we've tagged components, we'll blast all the old paint and rust and years of grime off them to bring them back to the bare metal. Once we've done that, we can see what's underneath, and that's where we make an assessment on what we need to do to repair this component. This is where we decide, and the client decides with us what we repair, what we replace. If it be a crack and it's agreed that we will braze, then we prepare the cracks within, for instance, the floor grills, and we braze them. Brazing is a type of welding. We'll let them cool, we'll grind them, and we'll test them. So once the mechanical guys have done their works on it, we'll send it to our quality control, who will ensure all repairs have been done correctly and to standard. After QC, we take them to paint. And part of that is to do the second blast. The second blast is to clean it back to nice, clean material and give the profile for the paint to be applied to, so paint will stick. With some of these components, the shapes can be awkward to paint, so we have to stripe coat all the awkward corners and the various sharp edges the paint gun won't reach, and then it goes through the finishing process. Every coat has got to be the thickness as required by the manufacturer. Once the painting process has been complete, we will do as paint records, we will pack it, we will do any trial fitting of components and make sure nothing's missed or mixed up, and we will deliver it back to site.